Okay, in this video I want to show you how to prepare your file for upload into MaxOptra. For you to run your MaxOptra file, all orders for that route need to be confirmed back on the delivery screen. If they aren't, then they'll not appear on this report when you run the report. So it's important that you run the report at a root level and you only upload an account once. If you try to upload that account twice, it fails and then isn't available on the driver handset. So I'm going to explain that to you now. So we've ran the report as normal, and in this example we're going to say that Corium 1, 2 and 3 have been completely confirmed off the delivery screen and all orders completely picked. So in that instance you will go to your cell F1 and put a filter on, like now. Once you've filtered, then deselect all of the root codes and only select the root codes that you want to upload into MaxOptra. So again, in this example, we're going to select Corium 1, 2 and 3 and hit OK. Once you have that information, you then need to copy from A right through over to here, over to DM, and then down until that finishes. Okay. Right click, copy, and then you open a new workbook. So File, blank workbook, and then Control, right click, and paste as values. So all we've done in that point is we've moved Corium 1, 2 and 3 over to a new spreadsheet. Okay, it's important that at this point in your date, so column H and I, that you select those two columns and the information in it. Okay, and then you go to here to change the format and you want to select short date. So it hasn't worked in this example. Short date. Make sure that all of those are set in short date. Okay, once you have that done, you need to file and save this document. So File, Save As. In this instance I'm going to save it in my Downloads folder. You can choose somewhere where you can find later. I'm going to save it as MaxOptra Upload Test. You need to change the type of file you're saving this as from Excel Workbook to CSV UTF-8. It's really important you do this. If you don't do this and save it as a normal workbook, the information just won't go into MaxOptra. So hit save. Okay, now we've saved it, we then go to our MaxOptra screen. We ensure we're in the right delivery date and we're in the right depot. We then need to go and find that folder or that file. Choose File, select the file, press Import. That information will start to build into the dedicated routes. Okay. And you want to look down with the padlock. Yes. The envelope to send that information to the driver's devices. This means then when you do your upload later on in another hour or 2 hours time, when you upload other routes, you cannot upload anything that contains Corium 1, 2 or 3 into it. If you do that, it then wipes this information that you've already uploaded. So it's really important you wait until a route is fully completed pick, has been completely confirmed back on the delivery screen before you upload it. And you must only upload that route once.